All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a modern muscle car. 2018 Corvette Z06 convertible. Really nice car, low mileage, got like 24,000 miles on it, and it's fast. They have the LT4, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. Nice car. This one has what they call the Jake package, which is just like a graphics kit. It's got it in the center of the wheels. It's got a little thing on the hood there. It looks like a skull. Pretty cool. It's a fun car and a ragtop. But it's finished in torch red. It's got the black leather interior. It's got heated and ventilated seats, navigation, backup camera. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a heads-up display. Tells you what G's you're pulling. Change it to track mode. They got everything. Like a factory race car, straight from the General Motors assembly plant. We'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you so you can get a better look at it. All right, let's walk around this beautiful 2018 Corvette Z06 convertible. Like I said earlier, LT4, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifts. It's got a remote that changes the exhaust note, power top, power ventilated and heated seats. It's got these 19 and 20-inch staggered wheels with that Jake package logo in the center. Red calipers. Of course, Z06, so it's a wide body. It's got all the skirts. It's like a black metallic paint on the mirrors and on the hood. Really nice car. Paint quality is beautiful. I can't believe this car is already 6 years old, 7 years old. But a lot of people are going for the front engine cars. They actually seem to have gone up in value a little bit. Not everybody wants a mid-engine Corvette. This one even has the little sensors up front, little parking sensor cameras, heads-up display. Great looking car. Sounds great, looks great, good price, and good history. Here's the power plant in the Z06 Corvette. LT4. Amazing engines, you know, it's the LS motor with a supercharger on it, plenty of horsepower, more than enough to get you in trouble. Nice and quiet in here. Everything fits well, not too difficult to service. Go ahead and fire it up for you. It's got push button start. Got a little hidden compartment there. I always like that. It's got a USB in there too. You can charge your phone. Electric fans, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, anti-lock, all the goodies. It's got the nice 4-tip exhaust. Nice little growl to it. A great car. And there's the soft top up, like brand new. Power top. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. If you want to come out and see us, my name is Rich. Happy to show you this beautiful low mileage Corvette convertible. Thanks for watching.